I will now show you how SQL code is structured and give you the most important concept that you need to understand in order to succeed at SQL. Now this is a SQL statement. It is like a complete sentence in the SQL language. The statement defines where we want to get our data from and how we want to receive this data, including any processing that we want to apply to it. And once we have a statement, we can select Run and it will give us our data. Now, the statement is made up of building blocks, which we call clauses. And in this statement, we have a clause for every line. So the clauses that we see here are select, from, where, group by, having, order, and limit. And clauses are really the building blocks that we assemble in order to build statements. What this course is about is understanding what each clause is and how it works, and then understanding how we can put together these clauses in order to write effective statements.